When you're juggling dozens of tasks, it's easy to lose track, even of the most critical ones. In this video, we'll look at a few simple ways to make those important tasks stand out in Planfix. To make a task more prominent, mark it with the favorites icon. You can do that right inside the task card, in the task filter, also known as the task list, or in the planner. You can also see everything you've marked by opening the favorites section. Favorites help you highlight a task for yourself. But the urgent marker is a great way to indicate priority for the entire team. When you do this, your employees will see it right away. To do this, find the priority field in the task card. Or in the planner, open the additional menu and choose the Make Urgent option. You can see that the task now has a red icon, making it much harder to miss. If you're working on a task that will take a while, set a reminder so you don't forget. You can do this in the task card. Simply choose the time and add reminder text. In addition to yourself, the reminder can be sent to any employee you select in the notification field. You can view all task reminders in the Reminders panel. For added convenience, you can also add reminders right in the planner. Planfix will send the notification at the scheduled time. If you regularly work with high-priority tasks, consider creating a dedicated filter in the Tasks section. First, set a name and color. Then define the selection parameters, for example, in Favorites or Urgent. Finally, save it. Now you'll have a separate tab with your priority tasks. Tags also help you to swiftly classify tasks. In Planfix, you can configure tags yourself. Just go to the object where these tasks are created. Open it for editing. And add a new field of the set of values, fixed list type. This lets you select multiple tags from a predefined list in each task. To make tags look better, simply enable the option Assign Colors for list values. And that's it. Now you can add tags right inside the task card, or quickly in the task filter, or you can also arrange tasks by tag. That way you can ensure that no vital task gets lost in Planfix, so you stay in control of what matters most.